welcome to Laney Content, where everything is miscellany. In today's video, I will be sharing on how you can combine 2 or more PDF files using Adobe Acrobat DC, or you can call it merging 2 or more PDF. Now, we have 3 PDF files over here. I named it PDF1, PDF2, and PDF3. Now, go to the location where you have saved your PDF files, select all the PDF files that you want to combine, right-click, show more options, and click Combine Files in Acrobat. Now, you can see the files are open in Adobe Acrobat DC. You can change the arrangement of the PDF by dragging it, but we will keep the arrangement as before. If you want to add more PDF files, you can do so by clicking on the Add Files. Choose the file that you want to add. Now we have this extra PDF added to the order. To combine all of it, click Combine. Now, the PDF is ready. That was what we have combined earlier. Remember to save it because this is as if it's a draft. Okay, we shall name it Combine PDF. Save. Now we close it and open it back. Yes, this is the PDF we have combined. Another way of combining PDF using Adobe Acrobat DC is by opening the Adobe Acrobat DC application, click on Combine Files, click Add Files, and open all the files that you want to combine. Now we have all the files we have just selected. Now I want to rearrange the files, so I just drag. This time I have it ordered from 3 to 1. Now click Combine, and here we have it, the combined PDF. That's the order we have arranged just now, 3, 2, and 1. And don't forget, save. I'm gonna name this one Combine PDF V2. Okay, save. Close the PDF. Open it back. Yes, this is the file. That's all for this video on how to combine or merge 2 or more PDF files using Adobe Acrobat DC. I hope you have gained some knowledge in this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. I shall see you in the next video with more content on Laney Content. Bye!